Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. My name is Savita Sharma and I am your economics teacher. Today we are with the chapter number 7, different concept of national income. Formula of different concept of national income. If you will concentrate on this formula, I feel that all the definition, all the formula, any kind of formula will come, you can write easily. So little bit concentration is needed here. I have written here first depreciation. Depreciation. Second one NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad, and the third one net indirect tax, which is the difference between indirect tax and subsidy. Okay, now concentrate. When you are making formula on gross, it means gross domestic product. So it means depreciation is added. That's why I have written the plus sign. If you are writing on net domestic product, it means depreciation is not added. So I have mentioned here minus. So what is the use of depreciation? When you are making formula on gross, depreciation is added. When you are making formula on net, depreciation is subtracted. Net factor income from abroad, which is the difference between export and import. If you measure the domestic, if you measure gross domestic product, net factor income from abroad is not added. So that's why minus sign is here. But when you measure at national level, it is added. So that's why plus sign is here. Net factor income from abroad is added. Net indirect tax, it is the difference between indirect tax and subsidy. When you measure national income at market price, indirect tax is added. When you measure national income at factor cost, indirect tax is not added. Okay, gross domestic product. Gross here mention, it means depreciation is added. Domestic, it means net factor income from abroad is not added. So we can make the definition. Gross domestic product is the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. So the formula is GDP equal to C plus I plus G. C stand for private consumption expenditure. I stand for domestic private investment and G stand for government consumption and investment expenditure. Next, net domestic product. I think the concept is little bit clear for you. Net is here, it means simply we will deduct depreciation. From the formula itself it is clear. Net domestic product equal to gross domestic product minus depreciation. And the definition is same. Net domestic product is the net market value of all final goods and services produced within the territorial boundary of a country during 1 year minus depreciation. Now, gross national product. Listen it carefully. Gross is there, it means depreciation is added, but the national concept is here, it means net factor income from abroad is added. Now the firm definition is gross national product means the gross value of all final goods and services produced annually in a year, which is estimated according to the price prevailing in the market. And the formula is C plus I plus G plus X minus M or R plus R minus P. R stand for receipt from abroad and P stand for payment made to abroad. Now here, net national product. Net stand for depreciation is not added. National stand for NFIA is added. So the definition is net national product is the net market value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of a country during a period of 1 year. And the formula is NNP equal to GNP. Only G you have changed here. So minus depreciation. I think I am clear with the topic. Thank you, class.